attached to defence cooperation.
Public Health Engineering Minister Renington Lingdo Tongkhar today expressed concern that many of the catchment areas in the state are facing a huge threat due to various human activities. While speaking at the inaugural function of the Northeast Water Conclave organized by Indian Chamber of Commerce in Shillong, Lingdo said that the department has to divert water from water source of many of the water supply schemes since the water source which were originally identified had dried out. The one-day Northeast Water Conclave will dwell on upgradation of water and water waste infrastructure and on leakages of water conveyance, lines and storage. Others who spoke on the occasion include Water Resources Department Secretary S.C. Sadhu and Executive Director of Eon Exchange India Limited Ankur Patni.
Would help us to live on this earth.
Cable protection
Which are faced for.
We need to protect the catchment areas. That is the need of the hour as of now, to ensure that the catchment area remain untouched. Trees should be there. So we need to do tree plantation to all the catchment areas in the state of Meghalaya, and we need also to take to protect, to do even up to the to declare that the catchment areas should not be utilized for any other activities except tree planting.